Hi, Facey here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove write protection from a USB flash drive or an external flash drive. And this usually occurs when there's a error on your hard drive or your external hard drive. But today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem, and basically I'm going to walk you through what I encountered and how to fix it. So as you can see on my desktop, I have a folder opened, and there's this one particular file. Keep in mind, I have no previous problem with this particular flash drive or USB drive. I wanted to delete this particular file, and I noticed that it kept on giving me this error message. So I investigated further and found that there was a problem with the flash drive being write protected. So let's see exactly an example of what I'm talking about. If I try to move, let me move my camera over. If I try to move this particular PDF document which is on my desktop, and if I try to drag and copy it over into this particular folder, it pops up this error message, right? And you can see it's the same error message that we see here. So I'm going to go, and if you hit try again, it's going to pretend like it's doing something, and it's going to come back to the same thing. So we're just going to hit cancel, get out of there, and I'm going to move my camera over just so I make sure I get this. So I'm going to go to start. I need to go over some more. I might not be able to capture this. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to go to start and run, and just in case it's not there from your start menu, just hold down the window key on your keyboard and hit the letter R. So you hold on the Windows key, and while holding down the Windows key, hit the letter R. It's going to bring up the run command box. So in here we're going to type in regedit, regedit, okay? And it's going to ask for permission. Just go ahead and click yes. We're going to go into, so now we're in our registry editor. So we're going to go to, we do not want this one, we're going to go to this one, key local machine. We're going to expand that. We're going to go down to system. We're going to go to control set, and then we're going to go to control. And it's the same thing you see I have in the diagram here. Machine, system, control set, control. Okay? Okay, and then we're going to look for where it says storage device policies. In my scenario, let me just make sure it's not there. Okay, storage. Okay, so in my situation, and if this is the same thing in your scenario, then we want to go back up to the top level folder, which is the control folder, and then we are going to create a new key. So we're going to right click on control and go to new key, right? And then while we're in the new key box, we're going to type in storage device policies, and notice the capitalization. So you want to capitalize the first word, the first letter of each word. So storage device policies, and it's all one word, okay? No spaces. Once we've done that, we're going to right click on it again and make sure you've named it correctly, right? So storage device policies, as you can see here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to right click on this again, and then we're going to new, and then we're going to, this time we're going to select D word 32-bit value, create that, and then it's going to be highlighted, and then what we need to type in here is write protection. Oops. So write protection, and notice the first letter of each word is capitalized and there's no spaces in between each word. Okay, and now once we've done that, we're going to double click on it to set the value, and we want to make sure it's set to 0. You want to make sure it's hexadecimal and select 0. 0 means it's off. If we were to hit 1, that means we would have it turned on, and we're going to make sure we're entering 0. In a situation where the key was already listed in this window in your registry editor, let's hit OK. If this was already there, then you would just come up here and select storage device policies, write protection, look for write protection, and double click, and in your instance it would have been set to 1, and that would have been what was causing it to trigger the write protection. Okay, so now what we need to do is, let me just collapse these back, and so let's go and close, exit, and now that we've done all that, what we need to do is go ahead and just restart our computer, and that should solve the problem. Right? So hope you found this video to be helpful, and make sure you follow the steps carefully. If you need to rewind and pause, do as many times as you need it to, and be sure to thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. This is Facey, and thanks for watching.